So guys, today we're going to start author's point of view. This is our lesson today. So this is our I can statement. This is our goals of the lesson. Yay. All right, our first goal is I can identify an author's point of view. The next goal we want as well with this is we can identify the author's purpose. Why the author wrote this. Okay, so let's repeat this together. Let's say this. 3, 2, 1. I can identify an author's point of view. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. I can identify an author's purpose for writing. Great job following along. So you guys all sound great, and I like it in sync. All right, so I'm going to give you guys about 5 minutes. Just give me a plus or minus. Tell me if these words give a negative or positive connotations. Once you're done, talk it in your groups. Okay, go ahead and start that. I'm going to give you guys about 5 minutes to get used and see, is that giving me a positive or negative connotation? Okay, plus or minus. Okay, remember, put this on your piece of paper so we have. Once you guys are done, talk it amongst your groups, and then we'll come together. So this is our warm-up. Remember, if you guys are done, you can talk amongst your groups and see what you got, compare answers. Okay, some of you guys are finishing up pretty quick, but remember, talk amongst your groups. And if you're done, I'm going to give you guys a little thing ahead of time. I want you to think of some words possibly that could have a positive or negative connotation or tone. Okay. We'll review this after 3 minutes. I'm just going to walk around, check how we're doing. After 3 minutes, I will move on. Great job talking.
Done.
Awesome. Okay. I'm coming around. Let's talk amongst your groups. Talk amongst your groups. Talk amongst your groups. Okay. See what James and see what they got. Okay. So we got a couple minutes. I want you to review with the group what you guys thought. So you guys can compare. Okay. If there's something that we don't think so, then we can talk about it. Okay. Great job. Great job and great appropriate noise level. Okay, we're almost there. Also, too, just to be safe, remember you guys also remember to write your name and date for those that may not remember. Good job. Good job coming in. Good job, guys. About a minute and 50 seconds left, then we'll review. Okay, because there's 10 of them, so make sure that you guys can come up with the reasons. So in your guys' group, talk about the reasons why you guys think something's positive or one's negative. And then we will come back in a minute. Good job, guys. We're going to talk amongst your groups. We'll come back right now. Thank you, guys, for talking amongst your groups.
It's kind of like being divided.
Okay, 1 minute. So, any last things? Go ahead and talk amongst your groups, and then we'll come back and talk about it as a class. Great job, guys.
Wait, you just not reverse. Because the plus is red and.
Great job. We're almost there, guys, so let's finish up. I liked how you guys were talking in your groups. I like it. I like how you guys shared why each word is that connotation or gives off that connotation. Okay, so 16 seconds, 15. I'll pause it right here just so we can start. Okay, so ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Eyes up. Thank you. For those, thank you guys. Thank you. All right, so I want to know what do you guys' take? What's positive? What's negative? So I need some volunteers. For number 1, we have stubborn. Yay. That's not a good thing, but we'll talk about it, okay? What do we think? Alex, negative. Why do you say negative?
Because stubborn can be like, you're not. You don't like change. You're not walking. Yeah, you're not walking.
Yeah, you're like, no, I'm doing this my way, right? My way or the highway. All right. Next one, number 2. Raise your hand if you know this word and its connotation. Rosalie. Positive, and it is, the word is? Courageous. So that's being brave, right? A form of bravery. Next, Addison, can you tell me that one?
Unique is positive.
Unique is positive. So, real quick, here's a hard question for you guys. For remembering too, we're doing unique. What else besides unique? What could be the negative connotation of unique?
They could be unique in a weird way.
Weird would be the negative connotation, right? All right, so let's just go through these so we can move on, okay? Next is, next word, raise your hand if you have that one. Caden. Nosy, right? Nosy. What is that?
That's negative because if you're saying someone's nosy, then it's saying that they're like snooping.
Yeah, they're not minding their business, as they say, right? All right, next. Yeah, great job, Caden. You're right. Great job. Next, raise your hand if you have an idea. Okay, Thomas, thank you.
Obnoxious.
Obnoxious, positive or negative connotation?
It's a negative word.
Okay, negative connotation. Good job. All right, let's just get through these. Raphael.
Annoyed is negative.
Annoyed is negative.
Exciting is positive.
Exciting is positive. Rosalie? It's okay. Disastrous?
It's negative.
Negative. Good job. It's okay. Okay, thank you guys for raising your hands. Abram.
Delicious.
Okay, delicious. What is that? Positive. Cash. Last one. Adventurous, and it is positive. Awesome job. So real quick, I'm gonna give you guys. It says 5 minutes, but I'm gonna give you a little less. I want you guys in your group to come up with one word that has a connotation, either positive or negative. Okay? So shouldn't take too long because you guys know this. I'm gonna walk around, get some ideas. What do you guys come up with? Anyone? All right, so let's get started so we can move on. Ready? Let's try it out again. So, welcome back, explorers.
Glad to be back.
Welcome back, explorers.
Glad to be back.
Thank you. Okay, so, let's go around. Let's get some of these, okay? What did you get, Caden?
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Okay, and what do you say that is?
Positive.
Positive. Okay, what do you got?
Stinky.
Stinky, and what is that?
Negative.
Negative. I like that. It's easy. Yes. Outstanding, and that is positive. Real quick, we'll finish it up. Guys, thank you. Remember, we're listening. Thank you. Addison, what do you got? Dismount. What is that? Positive or negative? Negative. Usually with this, it's a negative. Yes. And that is?
Positive.
Negative.
Because I didn't eat an entire cup of ice cream. That's what I did.
That's negative though. Negative, negative. Okay, thank you. That's funny, but we're just gonna say, remember, we're trying to get some words with connotations. Yes.
My word is positive and it has a positive connotation.
Perfect. Okay, so now let's review author's purpose, guys. This is our review from the last lesson. Thank you. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Awesome. So we're trying to do this now. Ready? Thank you, guys. Real quick, our 4 reasons for writing. Let's review these real quick. So what are my 4 reasons for writing? The author's purpose for writing. Okay, give me one.
Persuade.
Persuade. Give me an explanation. You know how to persuade? What is an example? Remember? An advertisement, right?
You should not watch the Dodgers because they're terrible.
I would agree, but we're not talking about that.
My Dodgers sweatshirt says less.
Okay, we're gonna continue. Ready? Inform is the next reason. Can you give me an example?
No.
So remember, that's just facts, right? Facts. You could say a.
Giants are better than Dodgers.
Yeah. Wait, no. Wait, that is yeah.
No,
Remember, guys.
Inform,
5,
that's just
4,
a fact.
3, 2, 1. Remember, when somebody is talking, we are not. Okay. Next one. Can you give me the next reason?
It's for inform, right?
We did inform. So what's after?
Entertainment.
Entertain. We have novels that entertain, because I know some of you guys have certain novels we like, right?
TV shows.
Mm-hmm. Entertain, but we're talking about writing, so for this one it can be a script. Could be a script, yeah? Mm-hmm. Poem. But remember, poetry is more of a... last one? Last one, Addison?
Express.
Express. So it's an expression, a form of expression. Okay, so good job. And what's an example?
Songs, poetry, or a blog.
Songs, poetry, or a blog. Perfect. It's up there. So